What's up, my friend? Donnie Baker here with the LPR Sound Foundation. Got something cool for you today. We're going to talk about some Pro Tools tips. What I want to talk to you about, has Pro Tools ever crashed on you? No? You're weird, man. Yeah, Pro Tools crashes all the damn time. We know this. So when Pro Tools crashes, not if, but when your Pro Tools crashes, you might be in the middle of something. You know, hopefully you've got your session file backups turned on and in a good place. If you go back and look at this video, you'll see what it takes to turn that on and make it be what you need it to be. This is all about your Pro Tools preferences, so go check out that video. If you do have to come back from a recovery where Pro Tools crashed, it opens you up and it's got the name of your session, then it says .recovered. Now you do want to save this back as something as your session name, so I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Here's today's Pro Tools tip. Let's go check it out. Have you ever had Pro Tools crash on you and you hadn't been saving like you should? That's all. Look, you should always be saving every chance you get, hitting that Command S key and creating a button on your mouse or something that you hit all the time. It just muscle memory kind of thing where you're saving all the time. All right, let's say you've not been saving and you got to open from a session file backup. Go to Open Session, navigate to the session file backup folder. You'll see all the session file backups, the automatic backups. Go to the one where go to the time where oh, I was good there. So let's go to this one, okay? 1038. So don't save this one, it doesn't matter. You're gonna overwrite this one anyway. So it's gonna open up, when it was good, it's gonna open it up again, okay? It might take a second because it gotta restore all the tracks, that kind of vibe. Because I don't know what kind of stuff happened on the crash, but here you can see, oh, this is where I left off because I still had this file here and I was ready to go. So notice at the top here, it says, .recovered. Go to Save Session As, click on that, and just click on the original one, right? And then it's going to ask you, when you go to save, it's going to ask you, hey, it already exists. Do you want to replace it? And you say yes. That's where you want to continue from where you left off, and things were still good. Okay, so now you're all ready. You go back to the top again and see it says now there's your session. Because when you save as, it changes the name and puts you into that new session that you saved it as. Okay, the recovered session is still there. If you want to go back and look at that when you can, it's fine. That's a quick little trick that'll save you some time, effort, and energy. You don't want to have a bunch of sessions that you have to go through because you don't remember which one was the last one that was still good. So name it the one that you always name it. Like here I have, this one's named bass. I've got other ones. If you see I've got other ones that are named when I did the scratch vocals, the scratch solo, the scratch guitars, the drum. After we got the drums, I did a quick drum mix, and now I'm onto the bass. So you can see that, I keep track of my save as sessions in case I need to go back to the scratch solo, or in case I want to go back to the drum mix without the bass, or I want to go back to everything else. I got my drum record session here. Maybe I made a mistake and I want to go back to that one. I can go back to that one. It's going to open me up right where I was. There you go, a little tip on save as, and saving from a recovered. Not if, but when Pro Tools crashes. So hey, hopefully you guys got that. Hopefully it makes sense, and it's gonna help you just stay a little more organized in your Pro Tools travels, because we're all about Pro Tools, right? We're all about helping each other learn and use Pro Tools and get better. And get more efficient. That's what we're here for. We're here to help you out. Again, my name is Donnie B, and I am gonna get up out of here. We'll see you next time.